For this quick video to show you a very cool legal helper tool that I've been working on for Clio Manage, which I think also shines a light on the future of legal tech development in the coming years with the power of generative AI. Have a look. So the other day I have posted in one of the Facebook groups on legal tech what are the biggest issues that Clio Manage users are facing. And one of them was that if you create a new node on a case, and for some reason, right, imagine it's like a long court node, and for some reason, the browser gets refreshed, your browser crashes, your computer dies, whatever. Then if you go back and you create a new node, then all of your work is gone. What to do about it? So I thought this would be a very cool use case for a Chrome extension that you can install in your browser. It runs fully locally, so not exchanging any information with the server, no concerns about data security. And so if you open it up, we can see all the unsaved nodes that we have on all the different matters and contacts that we may be working on. So now if I go to the same matter, I click new node, and as you can see, that is automatically populated. If I refresh the page, right, go back, create new node, boom, that info is automatically populated. And if I make any changes to it, the extension is automatically updating the backend to node for the change. Now, it has also some other very cool features, such as you can copy the information of the node to your clipboard. You can also click, for example, go to contact. It will redirect you to that particular contact or matter for which that node was saved. And you can also obviously delete it from here. And now here's the kicker. I don't have a lot of experience developing Chrome extensions. And so I managed to develop this extension in just about 4 or 5 hours with the power of Claude, a generative AI tool similar to ChatGPT. I've just started a conversation with it and said, hey, users of legal case management software Clio Manage have reported a frustration when working with nodes, right? It doesn't autosave. It immediately came up with a structure for it. Then obviously it needed information about the actual structure of the page. So I said, I guess it would help if you provide the actual structure of the page. Here's the HTML portion relevant to that node model. I provided it with the input of the HTML of the page on Clio Manage, and then it adjusted the extension for it. Now, after that, I had an issue. It said, like, hey, your file was not found. I explained that issue. Claude came up with a few suggestions. Again, popped up the HTML, all the content of the script for it to work. And if you go down, you can see that works great, right? And after that, I just started an iterative process of improving upon it and adding a few more features. I think that's a great example of where legal tech is going in the next few years. Very exciting time working now with Gen AI as your developer.